What is hedging in Ielts? Hedging means writing sentences that are not too general. If you're not 100% sure that your claim is correct and you have no evidence to support, then write hedge or write hedging word. So this is the key criteria to target 7+ bands. Hedging makes your writing speaking effective. It helps to show difference between your opinions and facts, shows your awareness of the bigger picture, makes your language more precise, and shows your range of lexical resources. Let's do some example. Here is an example. All people love junk food and enjoy it. Now we can't claim it surely that all people love junk food. We can't be 100% sure for this thing. So here we use the hedges. So use hedges here. All people seem to love junk food and probably enjoy it. So here you can see two words, seem to and probably. These are the hedging words. So let's see some examples. First one is seems to be. Example, it seems that many youngsters prefer to work in multinational companies. So seems is the hedging word. Second is likely to be. It is likely to be going a great performance, means we are not 100% sure. It is likely to be. Next, third one is seemingly. The new teacher is seemingly overloaded with work, right? And next example is tends to be. Example is she tends to talk a lot when she is nervous. So tends to is the hedging word here. Next is possibly. He is joining new company, possibly work as manager. Means we are not again 100% sure about our claim. Next is probably. Governments are probably working mutually to solve this issue. Now here's the list of useful hedges. First is generally speaking. Next is in many cases. Next is arguably. Next is somehow. Then next is somewhat, as a rule, usually. Then next is typically, largely, mostly, and apparently. There are some more, basically, hopefully, and evidently. And there are some more. It is considered to be. It can be described as. The term is often used to mean. It is typically argued that. There is possibility that. It might be the case that. It is generally argued that. It is likely that. It could be suggested that. There is a likelihood that. And it appears to be. Now, these are the hedges to start a sentence. There is one caution that I would suggest you. That is, do not use too many hedging words in a single sentence. So here I will give you an exercise. There are two words, hedging words, tend to and prefer. You will make a sentence using these two words, hedging words, and write in the comment box. Once again, I would suggest you that if you are targeting 7 bands or 7+ bands in your writing and speaking, please use hedging words to make your writing and speaking more impressive. Thank you for watching this video.